Hello everyone, my name is Ria and today in this video I'll be explaining how to enable dynamic routing using RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. So basically this dynamic routing is of two types. One is interior dynamic routing and another one is exterior dynamic routing. So RIP version 1 and RIP version 2 comes under interior dynamic routing, and the main reason that we go for dynamic routing is we don't have to manually route the path as we used to do in static routing. Rather, it will automatically find the best path where the packets have to travel. So I'm using packet tracer over here to create a topology where I can show how to configure the routers using dynamic routing. So here, as you can all see, I've already created the topology, and there are three routers over here, and to each router one switch is connected, and the routers are connected to each other using DCE cable, and to each switch one PC is connected. So the network address for this particular PC is 192.168.1.1, and for this PC it's 192.168.5.2, and for this PC it's 192.168.3.2. So I've already given the IP addresses for all these routers using, if I click on this PC, we can see that there's a space for providing the IP address. So this is how I provide the IP address, and in order to dynamically route the routers, we have to go to each and every router and then go to the CLI, and then there we have to type the following commands: first en, then config t, then route RIP, and then give the network addresses of all those networks which are directly connected to this particular router. So to this particular router, the directly connected networks are 192.168.1.0, and the other one is 2.0. So similarly we have to do for all other routers. So if we check the routing table, for example, if we check the routing table, we can see that not only it is showing the cables which are directly connected, it is also showing the networks which are not directly connected. That means it also shows the remote networks. Now I did not manually route the path, rather it has dynamically searched all the best paths for where the packets can travel. So like this I did for all the three routers. Now if I want to see how the packets are sent, so let me just send a packet from this PC to this PC. I can go to the simulation mode. It's already in simulation mode. So one packet I'm sending from this PC to this PC. So you can see that how the packets are moving. So the packets have been successfully sent, and we can see the status which is showing that it has been successfully sent. And let us also type some of the commands which will give us the following information. For example, if you want to see the routing table, then we have to type ship route. It is showing the routing table. Then if we type ship protocol, it is showing all the necessary protocols that we have used. Then if we type sh running, config. Yeah, you can see that it is showing the necessary information. Then let me, yeah, so this is the end of my video.